We are rushing through the end of the year, anxious to see what the future holds. And this is the perfect time to remind yourself of the year you have had. Take time to reflect and think about the year to come. What you will change, what you will keep, what hopeful things lie at the horizon. It's the time of introspection and, of course, gratitude. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and for many, the holiday season brings about the most reflective time of the year. Months spent inside. Now, celebrating and gathering with friends and family are made for remembrance and gratitude. Today, I, Dr. Sonali Astani, a physician and a life coach, will introduce you to the healthiest of all emotions. That is, the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation, and to return kindness. Being thankful or thanking someone often implies you are acknowledging your thanks for something that someone has given. Being grateful is about appreciating what one has as opposed to what one wants. While thankful is the word, gratitude is the feeling. Gratitude is not just an action, it is also a positive emotion that serves a biological purpose felt after being the beneficiary of some sort of gift. It is also a social emotion often directed towards a person or felt towards the higher power. First comes the acknowledgement of goodness in one's own life. In a state of gratitude, we say yes to life. We affirm that all is good, life is good, and has elements that make worth living and rich in texture. Second, gratitude is recognizing that some of the sources of this goodness lie outside the self. One can be gratitude to other people, to animals, and to the world. Gratitude opens the door to more relationships. Whether you thank a stranger for holding the door or you send a quick thank you note to your co-worker who helped you in your project, acknowledging other people's contribution can lead to new opportunities. Gratitude improves physical health. Gratitude people experience fewer aches and pains. They are also more likely to take care of their health. Gratitude improves psychological health. Gratitude reduces the multitude of toxic emotions ranging from envy and resentment to frustration and regret. It enhances empathy and reduces aggression. They experienced more sensitivity and empathy towards other people and a decreased desire to seek revenge. Grateful people sleep better. Spend just 15 minutes jotting down a few grateful sentiments before bed, and you may sleep better and longer. Gratitude improves self-esteem. It reduces social comparisons. Rather than becoming resentful towards people who have more money or better jobs, which is a major factor in reduced self-esteem, grateful people are able to appreciate other people's accomplishments. Gratitude increases mental health. Research has shown gratitude not only reduces stress, but it may also play a major role in overcoming trauma. War veterans with high levels of gratitude experience lower rates of post-traumatic stress disorders. When we express gratitude and receive the same, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the two crucial neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions, and they make us feel good. They enhance our mood immediately, making us feel happy from inside. Thus, it fosters both physical and psychological health. Study shows that practicing gratitude curbs the words, expressing negative emotions, and shifts inner attention away from such negative emotions as resentment and envy. The mere act of appreciating the people in your life can shift your focus away from negative feelings and thoughts. Gratitude is a selfless act. Its acts are done unconditionally to show the people that they are appreciated. If someone is sad and you write them a note of appreciation, you are likely not asking for something in return for this. Instead, you are reminding them of their value and expressing gratitude for their existence. At the moment, you are not waiting for the return note from this person. But gratitude is contagious also. In this example, maybe when you are down, this person will write you a note too. We all have the ability and opportunity to cultivate gratitude. Simply take a few moments to focus on all that you have, rather than complain about all the things you think you deserve. Developing an attitude of gratitude is one of the simplest ways to improve your satisfaction with life. Gratitude journaling works because it slowly changes the way we perceive situations by adjusting what we focus on. For example, my sister invited me over the dinner, so I didn't have to cook after a long day. It opens your eyes to more of the world around you and can deeply enhance your gratitude practice. Make a game out of noticing new things every day. At times, when we are unable to write gratitude journal, there are the other ways to show gratitude. Smile. Smile is extremely powerful. It is a visual representation that you are at peace with the world around you. And it not only shows people that you are happy and grateful for the present moment, but it also triggers the release of endorphins, making you feel happier. Take care of yourself. Good health and well-being are also signs of gratitude. If you are content with the position that you find yourself in, you are far more likely to engage in healthy habits that nurture the mind, body, and soul. Spend time with your loved ones. By making more time in your busy lives for loved ones, we are expressing gratitude for what it is that we have, instead of what we are in lack of. Go easier on environment. Our relationship with Mother Nature plays a big role in our happiness and inner peace. I believe one of the reasons that there is so much pain and suffering in the world right now is because of the way we treat our earth. Of course, it's impossible for any one person to save the planet, but taking steps to care for the earth is a great way to express gratitude. Gratitude leads to happiness. It unshackles us from the toxic emotions. It helps even if we don't share it. It may take time to experience gratitude's benefit, but it has lasting effect on the brain. Whatever you have, be grateful for it. Being grateful allows you to raise your vibration and attract even better things into your life. Negative stories in your life can help you awaken and help you become a better person. Be grateful for everything that has happened in your life, because everything happens for the reason. Whether it is a lesson or a blessing, it brought something into your life and ultimately changed you for the better. Thank you.